Will we see artificial intelligence in the future that exceeds human intelligence? Follow to the end. This is what we will know in this video. Welcome to the third episode of the AI series. In the previous episode, we talked about the history of AI, its development stages, and its most important achievements. I will leave you the video link in the description. As for this episode, we will talk about the types of AI. AI can be classified into three main types, which are narrow AI. It is the AI that solves one specific task, such as image recognition or translation of languages. General AI, it is the AI that has intelligence capabilities similar to human intelligence, and it can solve a wide range of tasks. Strong AI. It is the AI that can outperform human intelligence in all tasks. Narrow AI is the most common type of AI. It is used in a variety of applications, such as image recognition. AI is used to identify objects and people in images. Language translation. AI is used to translate text from one language to another. Face recognition. AI is used to analyze facial features such as the shape of the face, nose, eyes, and mouth. This information can be used to create a mathematical model of the face. This model can then be used to recognize the face in new images or videos. Internet search. AI is used to analyze content on the internet. This information can be used to create an index of the content. This index can then be used to search for information. General AI is a more complex type of AI. It aims to create a system that has the same cognitive ability as humans, and it can solve a wide range of tasks. General AI is still in development, but there are some applications that use general AI, such as personal assistant systems. Personal assistant systems use AI to understand commands and instructions from users. Games. Some games use AI to create intelligent characters that can compete with players. Communication and interaction with humans. General AI can communicate and interact with humans in a natural way. This ability can be used to provide customer service, education, or entertainment. Creative thinking. General AI can create new ideas and innovative solutions. This ability can be used to solve complex problems or develop new products. Strong AI is a hypothetical type of AI. It refers to a system that can outperform human intelligence in all tasks. Strong AI is still not available, but there are some researchers who believe that it is possible to achieve it in the future, such as healthcare robots. Robots powered by AI can provide better healthcare to patients. They can perform surgeries, provide medical advice, and monitor patients. Smart education. Smart AI can make education more personalized and effective. It can help students learn faster and more efficiently. Personal AI assistants. Personal AI assistants can help people in their daily lives. They can manage appointments, prepare shopping lists, and provide advice. But the question now: when will artificial intelligence start to appear? Ray Kurzweil, founder of Singularity University, believes that strong AI will happen by 2029. Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, believes that strong AI poses an existential threat to humanity. Musk believes that strong AI is possible within 50 years. In this episode, we talked about the types of AI. And we will talk in the next episode about the different applications of AI. This was Cyber, the head of technological news at THN Channel. What type of AI do you think will be the most important in the future? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the bell to provide and teach everything new about AI. We also hope that you will pray for our people in occupied Palestine, and that God will help them against their enemies, and grant them peace and freedom. Thank you for watching.